Hi, this is Mark from JLC. Today in this video, I will be talking about how to transfer Loopstation data. By knowing how to do this, you can easily play other loopers' songs by simply downloading the data into the Loopstation without having to set effects or track settings every time. There are loopers these days who sell their presets, and there are more opportunities for loopers to share their knowledge and improve. Knowing how to transfer Loopstation data will definitely be an advantage in these situations. So, let's get started. First of all, you need to connect your Loopstation to the PC in order to transfer data. The Loopstation can be connected to a USB Type-B, so please connect this port to your PC with a cable. I use a Mac, so I connect my PC and Loopstation with a Type-C, Type-B cable. If you are using other PCs such as Windows, please use the appropriate cable for your PC. Once you connect your PC to the Loopstation, from Menu, go right once and select USB. Select Storage, and you will see a screen saying Connecting like this. The PC will now have a Loopstation data file like this, so you can use this file to import or export data. Let's start off by backing up the Loopstation data. When transferring the data of your Loopstation, it's possible to delete the original data by mistake, so please be sure to take a backup before transferring the data. Click on the RC-505 Mark II icon, and inside you will find a file named Roland. Copy it and paste it wherever you want to save it. In this case, we will paste it on the desktop and save it. Now, the backup is ready to be performed. If the data in the Loopstation is corrupted or deleted by mistake, please do the following procedure to restore data. Now, I will show you how to import the backup data on your PC to your Loopstation. This one is pretty easy. All you have to do is simply drag the backup data file, named Roland, onto the RC-505 Mark II and replace the file. Once the replacing is finished, remove the RC-505 Mark II icon from the PC, and you should see a screen saying Disconnected on your Loopstation. Now your Loopstation has the backup data imported. Now, I will show you how to import a single track data. First, let's look at how to extract the track data. This time, as an example, we will explain how to extract the data of the song in Memory 7. First, click on RC-505 Mark II icon to open Roland, and then open the data file. In the file, copy and paste the two sets of data, Memory 007A and Memory 007B, to the location where you want to save the data. These are the files where the effects and assigns for the track is saved. Now go back and open the file named Wave. Save the files from 0071 to 0075. This is where the data of the sounds recorded on the track are saved. Now let's import the track data into our Loopstation. This time, as an example, I will show you how to import the track data we have on our PC to Memory 17 on our Loopstation. We will change the names of Memory 007A and Memory 007B saved earlier to Memory 017A and Memory 017B. Open RC-505 Mark II, Roland, and drag these data into the file Data. Then, you will see a warning screen like this. If you don't want to delete the data originally saved on Memory 17, please take a backup or save the song data. We do the same thing with files 0071 to 0075 and change the names to 0171 to 0175. We drag these into data as well and replace the files. Once this is finished, you should have the track data imported to Memory 17. Finally, I would like to talk a little bit about control function. If the Loopstation is at the default settings, the assigns and control functions may not be reflected properly even if the data is transferred. Press Menu and go to the right and select Control Functions to check Preference. If the setting is set to System, change it to Memory. If this setting is set to System, the effects and track button settings in Control Function will be applied to all the memories, so please change this setting to Memory so that you can set control functions for each song. This is the end of my explanation for transferring Loopstation data. From the description of the video, you can download a backup data with all the basic settings done and one of my songs, so please feel free to try and download these with what I showed you today. Once again, please take your own backup data before transferring data. Japan Loopstation community regularly uploads videos of Loopstation songs for members only. If you would like to learn how to use the Loopstation or learn how to use effects, please download and play the song data using the method in this video. Otherwise, see you in the next video.